Gotta get to the subway. You enjoying that? Pretty much. Let's hope the subway is not 1,000,000 degrees. Oh, let's see. Okay. First, we gotta check our cards.
6 minutes.
6? What the heck? 6 minutes? Reload. And okay. Want to go in? Okay.
Just a little bit. Thank you.
The incredible pose. I like the incredible pose. Do a good job of it. Look at him. Look at him. Look at it. Oh. Very masculine. Very manly, manly. This beautiful mural. Oh, we got some clouds here today, guys. We got some clouds and a little bit of rain. Going way up there. Wow, look at the ball. Look at it. Oh my God, how cool is that? America's 250th, guys. We headed up there. Right up there.
Very nice.
Oh my God, it feels so good. It feels so good. It is super nice. They have a whole declaration of gratitude to all their sponsors. Now this is actually put on, that was actually designated by Congress, the 250th celebration. This is gonna be super cool.
Hey, it doesn't smell like pee.
Hey, it doesn't smell like pee. Now this is at 1 Times Square. We are at 1 Times Square. Just gonna get excited. We get excited.
Nice. Sunday fun day, baby. I'm gonna get a free Coca-Cola. I'm very happy about that.
Maybe.
You can dance for Coca-Cola. Dance, do the Coca-Cola dance.
Coca-Cola dance?
Maybe get a free hot dog dance.
Ooh, would that be fun? Ooh, look at this. Look, guys. Now, this is the previous ball. Oh my. Oh, cool. The ball. Now, it's not the one that's up there now, guys. The one we have up there now has a bunch of LED lights and everything, which is super cool. Look at Joe's like, it's so little. It is beautiful. Look at, he's enamored. He's enamored, folks. I can't. Okay, so we're going to the 19th floor. That one's up at the 19th. This one's coming down. Okay.
Hello. How are you doing?
19th.
Check this out, man.
Oh, look at
Check this out.
Joe's very excited, folks. Wait till I do all this. We'll have to do this part live when we come down.
Coolness. I just want to see when they're giving out free Cokes.
You need to
I can
stop.
spy the 19th.
Look how fast. This is so much faster than our apartment.
It is very
Could you
fast.
imagine? We'd be up at our apartment in no damn time.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
We're getting up there, girlfriend.
Look at that.
Cokes are so small for me.
Whoop.
Oh, 19, baby. 19.
Oh, this is the Skywalk. Cool.
Nice.
All right.
Very nice.
Hi.
Justin with the One Times Square team.
Hi, I'm Angela.
Justin,
Go,
good
nice
to
to
meet
meet
you.
you.
Thank you. Yes, thank you.
Thanks so much for
Yeah.
being here.
So we thought we'd come out early before the heat hits down.
Yeah, the heat or the rain, one or the other.
Right. Exactly.
So you're welcome to walk around the space.
Okay.
There are installations of the Declaration of Independence that are kind of like superimposed over the glass.
Okay. Cool.
On the front and in the back. The
Okay.
eye candy experience, I don't think it's open just yet, but that will be open. It's on the 16th floor.
Okay.
It's like a candy-coated adventure.
Okay,
in
we
New
can
York
go
City.
tour and do that stuff as
Yeah,
well.
that's on the 16th floor. So
Yeah, that's just the
Yep.
next level.
Yep,
Cool.
exactly.
Thank you.
If you have any questions, you're walking around, just let us know.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
This is at One Times Square on the 19th floor. I know a lot of people came yesterday. I decided to come today because I wanted to see the parade of sales. And they were at the same time. Look at this. Oh my God. It's so crazy. Like we can see the ground. Wait till Joe walks on that. He'll freak out. They also have the declaration inscribed on the wall here and also on the glass here, but not in script, so it's easier to read. Here we go.